Hey guys, happy almost Friday, thankfully. So today, if you joined in, congratulations, you got the answer to our birds plot diagram, I guess. So here it is. We watched the birds together and filled out our plot diagram. So remember, our characters were Big Bird, Little Birds, for those of you that named the Big Bird Chuck. Thank you. That makes me happy. So we have Big Bird, aka Chuck, and Little Bird is our characters. And then obviously they're outside on the power lines, wires, cable lines. They're all synonyms, something close. Right off the bat, our conflict is man versus man. Remember, that's how we classify it. Even though they are birds, they are still, it's man versus man because we're giving them the personification human-like qualities. Man versus nature would be if the birds were building a nest and a tornado came by. So man versus man, because the little birds do not want the big bird, aka Chuck, to join them. Our first event here are the little birds sit on the middle of the wire together. Then our second event here is the big bird joins them. He sits in the middle, and then it causes the line to sag. And then the third event that happens there is the little birds start to peck at Big Bird Chuck's little bird toes as he's hanging around the wire. So that leads us to our climax, that the big bird's last little toe here does the ping, slips off the line. That's where it can't get any worse for either of the characters, because when that last toe falls, Chuck is going to fall, even though it's not far, as we saw. And the little birds then lead us to event 1, because the next moment then is that event 1, where the little birds launch into the air, like a catapult, slingshot, the pull back, and there they go. So my big head is in the way again. So let me move myself. So then event 2, then once the little birds are catapulted, they then fall from the sky naked. They have lost their feathers. They have no bird clothes on. So then the resolution is that the little naked birds hide behind Chuck as he laughs. So that is our plot diagram for the birds. It's simple, but sometimes the simple things get confusing. So if you have questions, ask. Make sure that this is done in your notebook. Do not turn your notebook in. It's an active, live, fluid document. So don't turn it in so you can get access. I will go in and leave a comment just like this. Maybe. I didn't like it. Anyways, I will leave a comment. There it is. It'll be off in the side. I will grade it. And then you'll get this little blurb over here on a page of your notebook. That shows that I left you some sort of comment. Normally it's a grade or a 0 out of something. Please do it. So that's really about it. We will move on tomorrow, and then I will see y'all when it's actually Friday. Bye, guys.